I'm going to play you my favorite song right now. And this is a song that was written by the Beatles. Do you know the Beatles? Paul McCartney and John Lennon. This is one of my favorites by them. A song that makes me feel really good and the kindness. It's called Blackbird. And you know what's cool about this song in particular today is Paul McCartney wrote this song Blackbird as a bit of a protest song based on the black slavery that was happening in the world. And it's so interesting, actually, this week, I'm about to play this, and I'm thinking about all of the racism that's been happening in our world. And this song is about freedom. This song is about no longer looking at each other with the eyes of separation, but remembering that we're all one and that we're waiting for freedom. So I love this song. It makes me feel really good. Just before I play it, one other person said, I imagine I rode my Mercedes SLK 1992 in the United States and I enjoyed riding. Ooh, I love it. So imagine that you're riding in your Mercedes right now and this really good song comes on the radio called Blackbird. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you're only waiting for this moment to rise. Yeah. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life, you're only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird flying, blackbird flying into the night of the dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you're only waiting for this moment to rise. Blackbird flying, yeah. Blackbird flying into the night of the dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life, you're only waiting for this moment to be free. You're only waiting for this moment to be free. Yeah, you were only waiting for this moment